In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use emojis in Mailchimp to boost engagement with some handy tips. Let's dive right in and explore how to sprinkle some of that emoji magic into your email campaigns to create a more engaging and dynamic communication with your audience. First things first, let's head over to Mailchimp. You'll want to sign in with your credentials, so go ahead and enter your username and password. Make sure your login details are ready, as we're about to embark on an exciting campaign creation journey. Once you're signed in, your Mailchimp dashboard should be the first thing you see, and from here we can start crafting our attention-grabbing campaign. On the dashboard, look for the Campaigns tab. Once you find it, click on it, and then you'll want to move towards creating a new campaign. Simply hit the Create Campaign button, and you're on your way. This is where we start building the backbone of our email. The next step is to choose the type of email you want to send. For this tutorial, we'll be working with a regular email, so go ahead and select that option. We're focusing on how normal email campaigns can be spiced up with the strategic use of emojis. In the campaign setup, you'll come across the subject line field, which is crucial for catching the attention of your readers right off the bat. Here, you have the chance to insert an emoji and inject some personality into your subject line. For Windows users, simply hit Windows+, and for Mac users, it's Command plus Control plus space. This key combination will bring up the emoji keyboard, giving you a wide range of emojis to choose from. Now it's time to have a bit of fun. Scroll through the emoji options and choose the one that best reflects the tone and content of your email. This little image can do wonders in drawing the reader's eye and adding a little extra flair to your message. Once you've got your subject line emoji sorted, it's time to move on to the body of your email. In the Mailchimp campaign editor, click on a text block where you'd like to include some additional emojis. You're not limited to just the subject line. Emojis in the body text can also highlight key messages and create a more conversational tone. To get an emoji in your text block, use the same keyboard shortcut we used earlier, or alternatively, you can copy and paste emojis from a reliable source like Emojipedia. Make sure the emojis suit your message and resonate well with your audience. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can seamlessly incorporate emojis into your Mailchimp emails and potentially enhance engagement levels. Remember, emojis are a fun yet powerful way to convey emotions and messages quickly, so use them wisely and watch your campaigns come to life. Thanks for tuning in, and happy emailing.